Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to disable the Yahoo searcher in Google Chrome. Actually, that's very annoying for some of you because let's say you wanna search something and this, as you can see, is not the default Google searcher, but how to enable the Google searcher and how to disable the Yahoo searcher. Here is how. When you're on your browser, just click here on these three little dots on your right top corner here, and now click on settings and scroll down till you find this search engine, and as you can see we selected Yahoo. But how to make it on Google, just click here and select Google. And also if you want you can delete the Yahoo from here, like remove from list. And yeah, and now as you can see it's our Google searcher, and every time we wanna search for something is the default Google searcher. And that was how to disable the Yahoo searcher from your Google from your browser. And if I helped you out, make sure to give a like, and also if you have some problems, if you have some questions, comment down below the video in the comments and I'll try to respond. And see you in the next video. Bye.